Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a very simple but powerful strategy that you can use to grow your small account, okay? Alright, so with this strategy, you can grow your small account, be it a $10, a $5, okay? Any account size, as long as you can use that account to open a position, you can grow it with this powerful strategy, alright? So before I share with you how the strategy work, I'm going to first of all share with you the setting for this strategy. Okay, so the first thing we are going to be doing here is to click on this icon here. So after clicking on the icon, okay, the only indicator we are going to be adding here is just the stochastic. Okay, this strategy is the most simplest strategy you can see anywhere. All right, so you click on it, you can see these are the parameters, all right, for the stochastic oscillator. You can see the K period here is 12, the D period is 8, the slowing is 7, the price field is low high, the method is simple, right? Now under the style we have the main, which is 3 pixel, the color is blue. We have the signal, which is 3 pixel, the color is red. And under the level we have the 9 and the 10 level. Okay, you can see that the 9 and the 10 level. After that you go back and then you click on save, right? Now after doing that, you're going to have something like this on your chart. All right, you're going to have something like this on your screen. All right, so this strategy is very simple. Okay, all you need to do is to wait for a spike. Right, so whenever there is a spike and you see that the the main and the signal line, which is this red and blue line here, gets to the 90 level, right? Now you need to make sure this two line here gets to the 90 level, right? So whenever you see that it has touched the 90 level, you have confirmed that it has touched the 90 level, right? That is the condition number one. Now for the condition number two is to wait for a crossing, right? So whenever the blue crosses below the red, right, you are to go in for 5 candles. Okay, with this strategy you can get 10 candles, but it's safer with 5. Okay, but if you're having an account size of $100, you can take 10 candles with this strategy. Okay, now you can see here, this is how it is. This is how it is. Now you see, this is where the crossing happen. This is where the crossing happen. All right, so if you count the candlestick you got from that crossing, it's more than 5. Okay, it's more than 5. So that is to show you that the strategy is a good one and it works very well. All right, so you can see here is another example. All right, this is where price is currently. This is where price is currently on the market. All right, as you can see right here, I'm already late for this entry. All right, so just like I've earlier said, for the condition you wait for the two blue, red, and the two indicator, the red and blue, to get to the 90 level, which is the overbought level. Okay, once you see that, the next thing is to wait for the crossing. You wait for the crossing here. Once the blue crosses below the red, you are to go in for 5 candles. All right, so this is the area I should have taken my 5 candles, right here where the crossing happened. And you can see right now we have gotten more than 5 candles here. Okay, we have gotten more than 5 candles. All right, now with this strategy you don't really need a trend. Okay, you don't really need to analyze whether you are in an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay, but to be safer, you need to do that. Okay, and it's going to work best for you if you are in a downtrend. Okay, this is boom 1000, guys. This is boom 1000. You can see. So whenever you are on boom, you sell, and whenever you are on crash, you are going to be buy. All right, you are going to be buying. Okay, and this strategy work both on the boom 1000 and crash 1000. Okay, so here on the crash 1000 right now, we are going to be doing the opposite. All right, both need to touch the 15 level and then you wait for the crossing. All right, so as you can see here, this is where the crossing happened. So we are going to be taking our 5 candle from this area here. Right, so you buy up with your 5 candles, you are out. Okay, so I think this is pretty much everything for this strategy. It's as simple as that. All right, just the way I've explained it, that is the way you have to be doing. You have to be trading with this strategy. Okay, so all that is needed of you now is to go and backtest the strategy. Okay, make sure you backtest it and see if it's working for you before you can put your real money. Okay, so don't just take my words for it, go out there and backtest it. All right, so I think that is going to be everything for this video. If you are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe. All right, go smash that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, and for my returning viewers, I want to thank you very much for the love and appreciation for following me up. Okay, I really appreciate. Please guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Okay, it will really go a long way by helping me. Okay, to help my video get recommended to others so that they also may get this information you are getting right now. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Silver out.